assigned 10 groups to be observed, so we have enough buffer. So we just like to update you on the name list. So we have shifted them a little. So yeah, please take note of the names that you are supposed to observe. So we are going to put it up on the screen now for you to take a look. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see. Okay, for group 10, okay, those of you who are observing group 10, the two pupils that you're observing will be Jia Ting and Fan. Okay, group 10 will be Jia Ting and Fan. And for group 7, okay, instead of David, you have Shafia. Okay, that's all. Only group 7 and group 10 are affected. Yeah. I don't think you can see, so would you kindly make the... Oh, she has the soft copy. That's good. Oh, sorry, the hard copy. Okay, so we don't have a group 12 anymore. So group 12 we have moved up to group 10. Okay, and Shafia is now moved from 10 to 7. So only 7 and 10 are affected. Okay, thank you.
So perhaps for those of you who just joined us only today, today's lesson, for the entry cluster, they'll be assigned groups already on Wednesday. For the rest of you who are from other schools, you are free to go to any group and observe any students.
Although team did not explain detail, but you see more changes, right? And for example, like a worksheet, they changed the wording, not just simply eliminated two, but changing the wording. How do you think she got this answer? So, and also the equation, the process is given too. So there are several differences. One thing that I want to share yesterday's conversation after you go back. The mistake, yesterday overwhelmingly, most of the students using tape diagram for when they write. And wait a little bit. Is it close door? Thank you. Yes. So let's see. Then, but today still they're using this class using discs. The reason behind of this one is yesterday's class is not Mr. Chan's class, and he did not know the student, and he thought the student could use discs. But today's class is his class, so he been using discs. So therefore, probably student is more comfortable writing this disc. And also, some of the change made in the worksheet too. Let's see, today's lesson is, yesterday we all talked about this. That means, again, this is our lesson. So the yesterday's lesson, unfortunately, we give this worksheet and then also the manipulatives. Okay? And however, the student conceptual understanding may not change. Although they can, procedurally find the solution. However, once you write in the diagram, they show all these misconceptions. So today's, probably the student situation is the same. They may not be able to show their conceptual understanding. But the goal is to not just finding answer, helping students to change their concept, update their concept, so that you could deeper understandings. So which is in the page 4, there are several important keywords there. So, for example, conceptual understanding, the second sentences, and then also the need for using equivalent fraction. Why we need to use? They should be able to understand the needs of the equivalent fraction. Also, the manipulative is not only to use assist learning, but also communicate the understanding in the lesson. So that's the big issue. And then if we emphasize this way, the team, us, believe that the student conceptual understanding is going to be much deeper. So today, I really want you to look for the moment that the student concept change. When student come to understand in this lesson, in 1 hour lesson, which moment they began to change, and then how they struggle, and then when they really got it. So please take a note. Not on, if you assign your student, please keep eye on when student change. And then, if possible, please think about it. What makes them change? Is it manipulatives, or teachers questioning, or task, or conversation among students? So, please, that helps us to think about, when we expect students to change, deepen their understanding. So that is everybody's task. Okay, so please keep eye on. Especially, it's a good idea to see the student facial expression. Okay, the moment of their eyes shining. So that's our task. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hi, take a seat. Shafia, you have a new place. Irfan and Jatin, you have a new place, right? Please sit at your new place, the three of you. Jatin, Irfan, yeah. Aida and Felix, move up. Okay, before we start, can you all please stand and turn around and greet the wonderful teachers behind you. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good afternoon, teachers.
Alright, excellent. Sit down. Thanks. Okay, so before we start the lesson, I'd like to make a small announcement. Actually, today is my birthday. See? Happy birthday. So what's my present? More present? Huh? Oh, wait. See, the moment I say it's my birthday, two very nice ladies are giving me presents. So after today's lesson, you all better give me something. Okay? Okay, alright, so may I know what is this? It's a pizza! Wow! It's a pizza! Okay, wow, excellent. Okay, so she gave me, wow, some part of a pizza. Okay, let me put this pizza here. Okay, this is my pizza, not yours. Okay. And I have another wonderful colleague who's giving me more pizza. Is it still pizzas? Oh, okay, more pizzas. And I have more pizzas here now. Okay, whoa, my pizza's on the floor. Okay, let me put my pizzas on the. Okay, so I have a couple of pieces of pizzas, but I have a problem now. They look really messy, and I don't know exactly how much I have. Right? Looks really messy, right? So I need you people, you wonderful people here, to help me solve this problem. Okay? So, as you can see from the PowerPoint slide, I received half a pizza from Mrs. Du. And I received another 3/4 identical pizza from Mrs. Lee. Right? They are identical pizzas, huh? But just at a different fraction. So my problem now is, how much do I have altogether? Okay, now you think about it. All right, number one, you think about the problem. Okay, think, don't talk to your friends first. You think about it first. Okay, once you have thought about it, then you work with your partner. And when I say work with your partner, I mean talk to your partner. In class, you all like to talk a lot, right? Now is the chance for you to talk. All right, so please make sure you talk. All right, share your thoughts with your partners, and only your partner, don't go to other people, okay? And when you are done talking, you see this on your table. What is this? Have you used this before? Very good. So use the fraction disc that is on your table to help you to solve this problem for me. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Now before I ask you to proceed, I want two very special people to come out and do it on the whiteboard. Okay, I will choose a pair. Any pair? Any volunteers first? Any volunteers? No volunteers? Then I will just ask somebody to do it. Anybody? Who wants to come to the board? Nobody? Okay, since you say no the loudest, your pair will come out. Okay, Ambish and Shafia, come. Let's give them a round of applause for being so brave, okay? Alright, Shafia, you go over here. Okay, this is my pizza. Don't take my pizza, okay? These are yours for you to work with. And Ambish, yours is over there. Okay? So I give you about 5 minutes. Okay, think about it. Talk to your partner. Sorry, you don't have a partner to talk to. You talk to yourself, okay? Alright? Okay, you may begin. Alright? I believe you have thought about it. So now discuss with your partner. And the two superstars in front, you may begin to show me how you solve this problem using the fraction disc. Please pick up your fraction disc. Yeah, pick up your fraction disc. You are allowed to use it. Don't be shy, alright? Use it. In class, you always take and play. Then now, ask you to take and play if you want to use. After you discuss your partner, use the fraction disc to help you show everybody what you have been thinking. give me this answer, you give me two answers. Oh, you want to put some more? Just take out the whole thing.
Okay, never mind, don't do baby. I'm innocent. Hello, bye bye. Stop laughing. Stop making me laugh when I see that. What's that? Unknown cousin.
Okay, it's quite interesting. I see many of you have different representations for the answer. How my two super doing? Huh? Okay, later. I'll get back to you later. Oh, you're done. Okay, good. Later I'll get you to explain. Oh, just stay there first. Okay, who is still fiddling with your fraction list? Anybody? Anybody still needs more time? Yes? No?
No.
All of you have different answers? Okay, good. Okay, very good. Now, please, okay, now let's move on to the next part. Okay, I've seen most of you have completed your task, which is to show me your answer, how you got this answer. Okay, let's take a look at Shafia first, okay? Alright, so this is the pizza that I got, the pieces. Okay, this is her answer. Now, can you explain to me how you got this answer?
I got the answer because 1 over 4 and 1 over 5 equals to 1 over 2. And these two is also equal to 1 over 2. So it's one whole together. And then I got one left, so it's 1.
Before, sorry, I made a mistake. I need to do something. Have a marker, please. I need to write the objective of the lesson. Okay, so before they do anything or explain anything, the objective of today's lesson is to add 2 or 3 fractions beyond a whole. So that is what we are trying to achieve today. Okay? Okay, sorry, Shafia, you were saying. Oh, that's it. That's your explanation. Any one of you have any questions for her?
Not me.
Yes, who said me?
Nobody.
Nobody? Okay. How many of you think that this is correct? Raise your hand. How many of you think that this is wrong? Raise your hand. Okay, nobody. Okay, now let's go to Ambish. Okay, where's your answer? That's your answer. Okay, can you kindly explain to your classmates how did you get this answer?
1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and another 1 by 4 is the same. As 1 by 2 has equivalent fractions. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals 2 by 4. And 1 by 2 times 2 equals 2 by 4.
So how much do I have all together?
Together, you have 1 by 2 equals 2 by 4. And 2 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals 5 by 4.
Can you show me your answer?
Okay.
Your answer is correct. Very good. Congratulations. But I want you to show me your answer using the fraction list. Arrange them nicely, please. okay. Take whatever pieces you need. It's fine.
This 1 by 2 is same as this 2 1 by 4s. So, and these 4 parts equals 1 whole.
Okay.
And if we from this 1 whole, if we minus 2 of this 1/4, we get the same answer as this.
But my question is, how many parts do you have now?
I have 4 parts.
And what about this?
Including this, I have 5 parts.
You have 5 parts now. Now let me invite. Abish says he has 5 parts now. Do you agree with him? Okay, okay. I mean, you just face your computer. Now, where are the 5 parts? Here? Where are the 5 parts? Can you point to your classmates? Where are the 5 parts? Okay, 1. This one? 2, 3, 4, and 5. So does he have 5 parts? So is he correct? Who says yes? Felix. Why? Why do you say he's correct?
Because 1, 2 plus 3, 4 equals 4, 5, 4. They got 5 parts.
Okay. But can you see carefully what this part is and what this part is?
Half.
What is this part?
Half.
Half. Okay, let me shift this. What is this part?
1, 4.
Okay, let me take it up. This is 1/4, right? Or 1/4, right? And this is half, right? Now you say there are 5 parts. My question to you is, what's the difference? Half is bigger. So, are they the same? No, who says they're the same? Who says this part, this orange part, and this pink part are the same? Who said? Anybody? Raise your hand. Okay. So what do I need to do? They are not the same, right? So how are you going to go about this question? Yes, Haida.
Half times 2 because
Half times 2.
because the denominator is not the same.
Ah, the denominator is not the same. So if the denominator is not the same, why must you times 2? What are you trying to do?
To find how much did you receive altogether?
Okay, but why do you times 2 for this fraction?
Because the denominator is not the same, and if I cannot, if I never, I did not change the denominator, we cannot add.
Okay, he says if we cannot change the denominator, we cannot add. My question to you, all of you here is, why must you change the denominator? Why? Just try, it's okay.
Because you want to make the denominator equals to the same number,
Oh, because you want to make them the same. Why do you want to make it the same?
so that it can add together.
So that you can add together. Anyone has another answer? You want to tell me? Why is it that you want to change the denominator to be the same? Anybody? Why? Half and 1/4, you are telling me they are different parts, correct or not? They are not the same. Right? So you multiply the denominator to make it the same. That's what you're trying to do, correct? Because they are not? They are not the same. Another word for same? Equal. So that means this part and this part, they are not equal parts. So as long as they are not equal parts, you cannot do addition or fraction. Correct or not? That is the reason why you need to change this, right? Okay. So, you need to change this? So how are you going to change that? Show me. How are you going to change this into this kind of parts? No, you use the fraction this, use the fraction this. Those on the floor, yeah. Okay. Okay, so all of you can see, right, they are the same, right? When he takes up 2/4, he superimposes them onto the half, and they exactly overlap each other. So that is trying to say that these 2/4 is the same as 1/2 or half. Okay? Now, when I walked around, I saw different answers, different representations. Right? For example, Jasmine. Okay, Jasmine, would you come up? Can you show me your representation on the whiteboard? No, not using that. I'll give you take from here, my box. Take this, and a quarter. Any more quarters? Here, never mind. There's plenty of quarters here. Take one. Okay, and go over there. Okay, Alvish, you may take a seat. Thank you very much. Shakira as well. Okay, come. On this board. Show the class your answer. Okay. Now, how many of you think that this is correct? But it's different from the answer. Right or not? Okay, hands down. How is that answer different from this? Or similar to this? Who can explain? Yes, Jasmine. Sorry? She changed to mixed number. Is that a mixed number? Is this a mixed number? What is this? Okay, Shakir, what's your answer for this?
1/4. But then I wanted to like that. So that
Oh, you know this is? You said this is what?
1/2.
1 whole. But look at her 1 whole and look at Jasmine's 1 whole. What's the difference? The color different, right? Besides the color. Sorry? Sorry? The number. What's the number? This one is in what? Quarters. And what is that? That is 1 whole. Okay, so but are they the same? So is my answer the same? Okay, excellent. Okay, wow. Okay, any one of you have different representations besides the two of them? Anyone? Irfan, very good. Come, Irfan, come up. Yes, show the class how you represent the answer. Come. Yours is orange, I see orange. Here, it's all here. Use mine, it's fine. Come, use mine. This one you don't take. This one is Shakir's answer, don't touch. Use this. Yeah, it's all here. All the pieces you need here. And this one? Okay, very good. Okay, have fun. Now can you explain to the class why you did this?
A half is the same as two and a half. Two. Two quarters.
So you're saying half is the same as 2/4, is it? Yes. Okay. So why do you put everything together? What do you want to form?
A whole and a quarter.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Irfan. Okay, he says that half is the same as 2/4. And I need to put all of them together to form 1 whole. And once I'm done with my 1 whole, I'm left with your 1/4. Okay? So as you can see, the representations of this answer, and the one in yellow, they're all the same, right? They're all basically 1 whole and 1/4. But yet there are different ways to represent it. Okay? Alright, now let's move on to your next activity, which is your worksheet 1. is to explain, okay, the answers that are given to you. Now the answers are given to you, all right? But whether they are correct or wrong, I don't know. So it is your job now to explain to me whether the answers are right or wrong. Okay? And please use the manipulatives, the fraction disc given to you to explain, to show, okay, how this person got the wrong answer or the right answer, and or why is it wrong. Okay? I'll give you about 10 minutes to do so. Okay, same thing, discuss with your partners, don't do it alone, please. Alright, discuss with your partners, use the fraction disc, alright? You can talk about it.
This one the answer is wrong because she forgot to 4 times 2 to get the denominator for 8. 2 times 3 times 2 equals to 6. So this one should be, here should be 6, 8, 7, 8 to get the answer. And then the other mistake is a plus the denominator also.
Okay, class, you can use the fraction disc to help you to explain why the answers are correct or wrong. Okay, you can work out the answer first to get your answer, and then you compare your answer with the answers given to you. Okay, and then use the fraction disc to show everybody that is looking at you, okay, that you can prove that it's right or wrong.